Ready to walk to Dogtown?
You betcha.
Well, I finally got around to starting. Now I gotta figure out how to flip that over without getting paint all over myself. And what I've come up with is either let it dry completely, or, which I don't want to do because I want to put more paint on it while it's still wet. So I have gone to the cupboard and got some of these cheapo production fold over sandwich baggies for makeshift gloves. Cool. That was painless. And some of you might want to know what kind of paint I'm using. I'll show you. On the cabinet, I'm using Rust-Oleum Hammered because I just like the way that finished product looks. It's designed to hide small imperfections, which there's really none on there. I just like that look. And going with Krylon Super Max for the top for the rest of the car. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna get back into it and show you back again when we get done. Now there it is, fellas. I think it turned out real swell. Let me give her a spin about for you. Yes, sir. I think that'll do nicely. Yeah. Oh yeah, looks good on there. There's one you don't see very often. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Compliments of SCH Design. Sulphur City Design. That is. Thank you, Shane. Been a long time since I had a place to put one of those.
Walking the dog. I'm just walking the dog. If you don't know how to do it, show you how to walk.